Okay, 30 cm cube of 0.1 molar aluminum nitrate solution is reacted with 100 cm cube of 0.15 molar of sodium hydroxide solution. Which reactant is in excess and by how much? Okay, by how much in terms of volumes actually. All right, let's look at this by writing out the equation. So aluminum nitrate, okay, reacts with sodium hydroxide. It's a very easy equation to come about. You just change the ions. So this positive guy will now go to this negative guy. The negative radical here is nitrate, and of course it has an oxidation number of -1. So 1 is to 1 works. All right. Now plus aluminium is a 3 plus. So when it makes OH minus, which is just -1, we're going to see something like this. We need 3 OH minus to take up the 3 electrons from aluminum. So here. All right. And now let's balance this. Here we have 3 radicals of nitrate. So we need to squeeze in a 3 here. And aluminum is fine. Um, who else needs to be balanced? Um, this has a collateral damage on sodium, so 3 here. And OH, we now have 3 hydrogens, it's already fine here. Okay, all right, we're good to go. Our reaction ratio is 1:3. Okay, this is what it should be, no matter what story is up here. Now, for aluminum hydroxide, we are aware that the concentration is 0.1 mole in 1 dm cube, which is 1000 cm cube. Okay, knowing this will help us find out what is in 30 cm cube. 30 cm cube, you just cross multiply. So 30 times 0.1 divided by 1000. Okay, let's do that on the calculator. We have 30, right, times 0.1, and then we have an equal sign. Then we now divide by 1 to 3, 1000. We have 0.003 moles. Okay, let's study this other guy. For this other guy being sodium hydroxide, the concentration is 0.15 mole. So 0.15 mole should be in 1000 cm cube. For some reasons, the question said use only 100. Okay, 100 cm cube was used. So how many mole should have been in that 100? The same way, 0.15 times 100 over 1000. For safety reasons, let's use a calculator again. So 0.15 times 100 times 100, equal sign there, then divided by 1000. Good job. So we have 0.015 mole. Okay, so this is the quantity in moles of sodium hydroxide that was involved in this reaction according to this question, and there's the quantity of aluminum nitrate. Well, let's find out. If this is to be used up completely, because the ratio is 1:3, whatever is here, you should have times 3 of it on the sodium hydroxide side. Okay, so it means 0.003 would have ordinarily reacted with 0.003 times 3 of this, that is 0.009. But we can still have 0.015, which is greater than 0.009. So this 0.003 will need to react with 0.009 of sodium hydroxide. if we should go by this. So the other guy should be 0.009, which is more than available. Now, if we should go by this other one, we should divide by 3 because it's 3 to 1. This other one, being sodium nitrate, should be 0.015 divided by 3. Okay, and that's 0.005. Let's just do it divided by 3. So this should be 0.005 mole. This other one being aluminum nitrate. Now you can see aluminum nitrate don't have up to 0.005. It has only 0.003. So it is in limited supply. And this other guy here is an excess supply. So NaOH is in excess. Now, by how much? And specifically, although it wasn't stated, let's find out how much excess it was in terms of volume. Okay, we know that 0.15 mole should contain 1000 cm cube, and we're having normally what is needed based on this limited one, only 0.0009 will react. So the excess is 0.015 minus 0.009, which is actually equal to 0.006 moles. So 0.006 mole excess. This 0.006 mole will be unreacted. It will just be there. It won't take part in the reaction because there will be no aluminum nitrate to react with it. By the time aluminum nitrate is done with 0.009 mole of sodium hydroxide, the aluminum nitrate will be completely finished. All right. Now let's find out what volume would actually contain this 0.006, so we can tell what volume was actually in excess. Um, an excess addition. So 0.006 mole would ordinarily be in 0.006 times 1000 over 0.15. Okay, let's see how that goes. 0.006 times 1000 equals this, and then you divide by 0.15. Okay, we have 40. It means 40 cm cube. So sodium hydroxide was excess by 40 cm cube. Actually, what was needed was just 100 minus 40. So 60 cm cube would have done the job. So it is excess by 40 cm cube. Super easy.